Good morning, class 10. Now we will discuss some characteristics of groups. What happens when we move from top to bottom in a group and how the properties are changes when we move from top to bottom in group. So let's start. Student, firstly we will discuss about the valence electron. I told you valence electrons are present in the last cell of element. If we are talking about the elements present in the first group, they are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Atomic number, we know that lithium has atomic number 3 and their electronic configuration is 2 and 1. Similarly, sodium atomic number 11 and electronic configuration is 281. Similarly, francium has atomic number 87 and its electronic configuration is 2818, 32, 18, 8, 1. From this, we can conclude that the valence electron of each element present in the same group in group 1, that is 1. It means all elements of group 1 contains one valence electron. Similarly, in group 2, these elements beryllium, magnesium and calcium contains two valence electron. When we are taking the elements of 17th group, they are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Their atomic numbers 9, 17 and 35. These all contains 7 electrons in their last cell. It means they have the 7 valence electron. This valence electron decide the number of group. It means all the elements which are present in the same group have same valence electrons. Now we will discuss about the valency. Valency is related with the valence electron and it is decide the combining capacity of an element. When we move from top to bottom in a group, all the elements contain same valency. This is because they have same valence electron. Elements present in group 1 have valency 1. Elements present in group 14, they have the 4 valency, and those elements which are present in 17th group, they have valency 1. Similarly, elements present in the 18th group, they have valency 0. Now the next is size of atoms. When we move from top to bottom in a group, size of atom increases because the atomic radii increases. You can see here in group 1, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Their atomic radii is 152, 186, 231 until 270. Atomic radii increases so that the size of atom increases. Size of lithium is this one and size of francium is this one. So size of atom increases. This is because the number of shell increases as we move down from top to bottom in a group of periodic table. As the number of shell increases, the size of atom increases. Next is metallic character. Metallic character increases when we move from top to bottom in a group. In group 1, lithium, it is least metallic element while francium is the most metallic element. It means when we move from lithium to francium, metallic character increases. Means metallic character of sodium is more than that of lithium, cesium is more than that of these elements present on above. This is because the tendency to lose electron increases and the distance from the nucleus to outermost electron increases, so that the force of attraction among the nucleus and the outermost electron decreases and elements can easily lose electron. And if element can easily lose electron, then their metallic character will be more and that will be the most metallic element. Next is chemical reactivity. Chemical reactivity is related with the valency, and when we move in a group from top to bottom, chemical reactivity of metals increases while chemical reactivity of non-metals decreases. The reason is that when we move from top to bottom in a group, if we are talking about the first group elements, these all are the metals. So their chemical reactivity increases because their atomic size increases, so that these elements, when we move from top to bottom, these elements have tendency to lose electrons increases, and hence its chemical reactivity increases. In case of 17th group, these elements fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, these all are non-metals. When we move from top to bottom in this group, then these all are non-metals. So non-metals have tendency to accept electron, hence their chemical reactivity decreases on moving down in a group of periodic table. And the last characteristic, that is nature of oxide. We know that metal oxides are basic in nature, while non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. So when we move from top to bottom in a group, if that group contains metal, then their oxides are basic in nature, and if the group of elements, they are non-metal, then their oxides be acidic. It means there is no change in the nature of their oxide of elements present in the same group.